Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you manage a wholesale store, you know how important it is to control order sizes. In this video, I will show you how to set up product quantity limits for your wholesale customers. So you can prevent small sample orders also and extremely large bulk orders also. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using B2B Wholesale Order Limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can click on Order Limit section. Now just go for the Create New Rule. Now from here we have 4 limits. Either we can limit our order by products, by collections, or cart quantity or cart amount. For now, we are just adding it for product. So select the product limit option. Now you can rule your name here. Like if you are planning to give the minimum quantity rule for the wholesale customer as 5, like we can add for a minimum rule as minimum or the quantity rule for wholesale customers. Now, in this description field, if you have any additional notes to describe what the rule is for or what it describes, those details you can add up here. Let's say like if I'm adding rule set for minimum order quantity of 5 for all the customers, which means I'm setting this rule for all my customers in the wholesale store and the minimum quantity will be 5 for them. And I can choose the product which is available for this minimum quantity rule also. And in case of customer targeting, I can set it for all customers either or a specific tag with some customers and also those who have spent above or more. So this targeting I can set up over here. Since we are giving this for all the customers, we can opt the first option. Now here in this add product section, we can select for which products these minimum quantity rule is applied for. Let's say I'm choosing 2 products for now. You can add more if you want. So I'm adding a minimum quantity of 5 here. So these 2 products will be available only if we purchase minimum of 5 to the checkout. And in case of advanced settings section, you can customize the error messages. So those who are not purchasing these products with without any minimum quantity rule, then we have to show some error messages in the checkout or in the cart. So those messaging, the wordings and all, you can set up over here. By default, we will be have some messages up on here. So if we are disabling it, the default messages will be populated on the checkout section. And in case of display settings, we can either show the error messages in our cart section itself, otherwise it will be available in the checkout. So after adding all these details, make sure that the status is active and then go for saving the changes. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I'm opening the store. Now let's test with this product. This product is not having, we haven't set any rule for this product, which is the minimum quantity rule. So we can buy any number of products without any minimum quantity from here. So now let's check with some other products. So this product is eligible for the minimum quantity rule. So let's try this. So I have added only one product to the cart. So this minimum quantity of 5 required messages, these error messages will be shown in the checkout. So this way we can restrict the purchase of the products which are to be added as a minimum quantity. Now let's test this. I have added 6 products. Same product, I have added 6. Now that error messages has gone. So this is how you can manage your wholesale store by enabling a minimum quantity product limit rule in your wholesale store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.